Ah, what a great day! TV is so radical, dudes, and I got some Mountain Dew here, which is awesome, and it's code red. Yeah! This is totally tubular, dude, man. Yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, totally tubular, dude. Yeah! Mario, what are you doing? Nothing. I'm just nothing at all, Luigi. Why do you ask? I'm scared for you, Mario. You're like whatever. Anyways, we have. Are you drinking pop again? I mean, yeah, it's good, and that means it's good for you, right? Luigi, what's the matter? Just because something tastes good does not mean that it is good for you. Just like if something is bad, well, tastes bad, that doesn't mean that it's bad for you. Well, what do you suggest that I drink other than this delicious beverage? It's so good and I love it and it's my favorite and yeah. What do you suggest, Luigi? Water. Yeah. Ew! Water tastes disgusting and it's boring and has no flavor or sugar or it doesn't make you not tired. It's boring. Like I said, I mean... Okay, explain this to me, Mario. How is water boring if you use a water bottle for a water bottle flip? Well, Luigi, you got me there. Well, I guess I don't have the strength. Fine, Luigi, I'll drink water instead of delicious pop, okay? Chill out. Mario. Mario. Anyways, we have a couple of things to do today. It's a Saturday! Why? Just because, you know, Saturdays are the days to get stuff done. No! That's the exact opposite! Oh, hi, Tigger. Hello? Hello? I was talking to Mario, so can you, like, move? Whatever. Anyways, Mario, so... we have to go to Walmart and get some shampoo. We have to eat supper or lunch, whatever it's called. I don't really care. Anyways, after that, then we need to, watch a movie and then go on a walk, and that's it. Well, that's actually not such a difficult thing. You made it sound like we had a bunch of chores to do today. Kinda. Anyways, come on, let's go! Yeah! Alrighty then. Alrighty then. Can you please repeat? What was that? That wasn't dummy. Oh. Please repeat your instructions. What I need to do is find Mario and Luigi and subtly terminate them. And if all else fails, there's no stopping me to kill them. Alright, now go. Yes, sir.
Ha ha ha, I have cut their brakes, and it is extra icy outside. Ma ha ha ha.
Mario, slow down, sheesh. Okay, come on. Let's drive, Mario, come on. What's the matter with you? I just remembered something.
What?
We don't need to go. Wait.
First off, why is the car inside? Because it's small enough to go through the doorway. And what is the thing that you remembered? It was that we already have shampoo. Getting shampoo was me asking you for next week to get some shampoo. Oh, well, whoops. Well, I guess that was kind of a waste. At least we didn't drive anywhere, right? Ah, okay, time to leave. Yup. Ah, guys! What is it, Toad?
I gotta go to the toad shop real quick. Can I use your car?
Sure, why not? Come on, Mario.
Yeah! Let's go! Oh, it's like a Mustang Tesla! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa, this thing is good! This model, it's beautiful! Okay, we don't want to run into that shelf over there. Put the brakes on. Oh no! The brakes! They don't work! Ah! No! Whoa, that was a close one. Wait just a... Whoa, that was a close one. Anyways, I gotta go to the toad shop.
Oh, dang it. I didn't get them. How disappointing. I will get them with this next one, though. Ah ha ha. Mario and Luigi's lunch. Gotta put some poison in it. Perfect. Ha 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 ha. They will die now. Look at this soup, Luigi. It looks so good. I can't wait to have it for lunch. Yeah, me too, Mario. That smells disgusting, Mario. Yeah, but like you said, not all things that smell bad are bad for you. Dang it, Mario. Whatever. We'll watch it and we'll eat it anyways, I guess. Okay, let's dig in.
Wait just a second. That stuff smells atrocious.
Well, I mean, I just want to say I did not make it, okay? Yeah, not me neither. Yeah.
That stuff? Ow! It smells disgusting. It smells like a 45-year-old man who's never put on deodorant in his life. I'm not 45, but I knew that. Why? Yeah. Whatever. Anyways, you guys go eat some pizza or whatever. I gotta fix this disgusting concoction of...
Alrighty then. Okay, come on, Luigi.
Yahoo! Okay, what are we gonna do to make this possibly good? I don't know, but I just got this at the grocery store. It's supposed to cure anything stinky. Okay, try it. It's deodorant, wah. Oh. Well, you know what? It's worth a shot. Wow, that's better. Yeah, well, it doesn't smell like me. That's right. Yeah, whatever. It's better now. Whoa! Thankfully, it's not disgusting anymore. Yeah, you're loud, though. Ow. Be quiet.
Aw, dang it. Another failed attempt. This is really getting on my nerves. Whatever. I have an even better idea.
Ah, well, time for that movie, isn't that right, Luigi? But I am kind of thirsty. Where's your water? There! You happy now, Luigi? Yes. Whatever. What movie are we gonna watch? I don't know. Ooh, how about Pasta Wars? That's always a good one. Yeah, sure. Alright. This should be good. I guess, yeah. Water out of my way. I'm trying to sit down. This is good. Hi. Why? He has a gun! Ah! Save us! He's gonna bring about the rebellion and kill us all and turn us into lasagna. Actually, no. You see, this weird robot guy, he kind of looked like you, actually. Yeah, he came up to me and said, that he'll give me $500 if I kill both of you, but, you know, I got two reasons against that. First off, I have no idea how to kill, and second off, yeah. Sir, you can tell us the second reason, it's okay. Okay, I'm not really good with this kind of stuff. You see, I used to, like, work alongside of the villain known as the Manta, and I had no idea that I was working even in the same building as him, and now people, when they even look at me, they think of me as a killer or a criminal, so, you know, turning over a new leaf. So, you guys can have that, because I have no idea what I'm going to use with it. Anyways, have a good day. Pasta Wars. I think that you should watch Volume 2. It's my personal favorite. Alright, bye. That was weird. Nah, that wasn't weird at all. A strange guy saying that they worked with a manta without knowing it once came up and tried to kill us, but said that he didn't want to. Not weird at all. This is so dumb. I just need them to die. This last method must work. Smell this, doggies. Easter bunny. Yes, that is the DNA of Mario. Ha 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 ha. Now go fetch. Ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh, watch out! Oh no, he's right behind him. Oh gosh, he's gonna take him out. Ah! Oh, wait, what the? What the heck? Arf, 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 arf. What the heck? Arf, 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 arf. Arf, arf, arf. Oh, you guys are hungry? Mario, can you just turn back on the show? Just a second. I'm feeding the hungry, okay? Here, I think I got something. There we go. Here, snack up on that. Arf, arf, arf. No problem. How did you know what they were saying? Honestly, sheer guess. We can turn back on the movie. I am done with you. Your stupidity and dodging all of my killings is done. I am going to kill you one way or another.
What the heck? The TV just stopped working. Luigi, did you do that? Mario, I don't know what's happening right now. Oh gosh. I'm scared. Let's go investigate Luigi. It's time. What's going on out here? Who's trying to sabotage our TV? Wait, what the? Mario, watch out! Oh my gosh. Somebody's trying to kill us! Yes. Oh. What the heck? Huh? Yeah! Run! Ah! It's your time, Mario, and Luigi, Mario. Who the heck is this guy? Why does he look like me? I don't know, Mario, but I don't like it. Get away! It's your time, Luigi. It's time for you to show what real power is. Ting, ting, ting. That's not gonna do anything against me. I'm going for you first, Mario. Stupid. You must die. Oh my. Get the. Oh my gosh, who are you? I am you. Wait, what the heck? Huh? Hello? Hello, somebody help. Hello? It's okay, we got this, Mario. These are our weapons. Come on, Steve, charge! I don't know why we're helping out, but... charge! Oh! You're gonna have to do better than that. Ow! You can't hide from me. I'm not trying to hunt you, Dream. I'm here for you. Leave me alone! Not a chance, Mario. Get out of here. Oh, no! 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 Stop! Why are you doing? It is your time, Mario. Goodbye. Mario, sometimes bad things aren't always bad for you. What do you... what do you mean? Maybe it's time for you to get hydrated. I get it now. Goodbye, Mario. System reboot. Oh my gosh. Luigi! Oh my gosh, Luigi, are you okay? Yeah, you finally listened about water. Thank goodness. Are you just gonna forget about me and Dream? You guys are Minecraft players, you can handle it. That's true. I'm glad to see that you're okay, Luigi. Thanks, Mario. Good thing we defeated that thing. Speaking of, what's gonna happen with it? 10 minutes later. Mario, I think his system reboot or whatever is done. Me too, Luigi. Hello? Why do you look like me? I'm Mario, and well, this is a long story. Oh no, I remember. I was programmed to terminate you by somebody. I am very sorry, Mario and Luigi. I did not mean to. I was being controlled, but it is my fault. No. You were probably controlled by somebody who, well, was controlling you. So, still. They might have even made you. Yeah. I am still feeling ingratitude for you not terminating me, as I tried to do to you. No problem, man. I mean, you're probably just chill, without those weird controls. Yes, I am sorry. You know what? To help you out, I will do some chores for you. Yes! You know what? Thank you, Metal Mario. If I can call you that. Sure, why not? I am metal, and I am created after you, Mario. Nice. Well, I guess you can do my chores and Luigi's chores, but I just want you to know that it's not your fault, okay? Yes, I know. Thank you. Right, come on, Luigi, we gotta finish Pasta Wars. To start off, I will go to Walmart and buy some shampoo.